Hello students, in this video we have to describe some terms related to the spherical lenses. My dear students, there are certain terms, special terms related to the spherical lenses. These are the centers of curvature, that is C1 and C2. So in earlier video I have described about the centers of curvature C1 and C2, that is the center of the spherical surfaces of a lens are called centers of curvature, right? Second is the principal axis, line C1 C2. It is an imaginary line passes through the centers of curvature is called principal axis. So this is the line which passes through the center of curvature is called principal axis. Another point is optical center O. The central point of a lens is called its optical center O. A ray of light passing through the optical center without suffering any deviation means a ray of light, you see in figure that a ray of light goes straight after passing through the optical center in both lenses, so without any deviation. So the point, central point of the lenses through which a ray of light goes undeviated is called the optical center. It is represented by letter O. Next is aperture. The size of or diameter of the lens is called its aperture. So this size or diameter from here to this edge and from this end to that end, that is called the size or aperture of the lens. It is the diameter, simply diameter of the circular aperture. Next is the radius of curvature. The radius of the spherical lenses is called the radius of curvature. So as we suppose to the spherical surfaces are made from the two spheres, so its radius from the radius of curvature means the distance from the optical center to the center of curvature. From this side also, from optical center to the center of curvature is called radius of curvature. In this way, a spherical lens has two radii of curvature, R1 and R2. Okay. Next is the principal focus. So there it has two radii of curvature, R1 and R2. Now principal focus, F1 and F2. It is the special point lies on the principal axis through which a ray parallel to the principal axis after refraction it passes in convex lens. It is the special point through which a ray of light after refraction passes. A ray of light parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it passes. This is called principal focus. And for a concave lens, it appears to come from a ray of light parallel to the principal axis. It gets diverged, but this ray appears to come from that point. Okay. So for a convex lens, it after refraction a parallel ray passes through that point, and for a concave lens this ray appears to come from that point, which is called the principal focus. A lens has two foci, f1 and f2. So both side, this side is f2, so this side is there is f1. Similarly here it is f1, so this side is there is f2. Okay. Next is focal length, small f1 or and small f2. The distance between the principal focus and the optical center O is called the focal length of the lens. So this distance is known as the focal length, right? f2, and for this side this is f1. Okay, so the distance between optical center to the principal focus is called focal length. For two foci, there are two focal length f1 and f2. So for convex lens, we take this side the focal length simply as f, right? And for convex lens, we take the focal length as this side only, because this ray after refraction diverges, so it appears to come from the principal focus. So focal length is measured from the optical center to the principal focus, so it is taken for left side as the principal focus. Okay, thank you.